Now welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and before we begin, for quality home tours, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to us here on YouTube. Now, welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new prime 5-unit townhome development for sale located here in Mandaluyong City, Metro Manila. And today, we are going to take you through a well-designed model unit, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at this development's site plan. Let's go! All 5 units of this development have an automated gate which you can control through a remote control. And you also have a spacious carport area which can accommodate 2 vehicles. In addition, you also already have an emergency fire exit here. And if you'll notice, you have a nice ceiling height, which makes the whole place feel less cramped and even feels quite spacious. This can easily fit even 2 sports utility vehicles. And you have your entrance with windows on both sides, which let in natural light towards your living area. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Upon entering the house, you have an entrance foyer space. The first thing that you'll notice in this house is there are so many interior design features because this has been set up as a model unit. So the actual turnover units don't have furniture, but this is so that you can really see how the design can be maximized. And you see that you immediately have stairs leading up to the 2nd level. And as we go over here, you now have access towards an open dining and kitchen space. The dining area has been maximized by having a round table here which can sit 6 people, or you can even have a rectangular table on this side. And from here, you have an island countertop, which is excellent for having an informal dining space. And you also have really elegant finishes, especially for the cabinetry. From here, you already have a space where you can have your refrigerator. And on this side, you have a service area. So you see, you already have an auxiliary sink here and a space for your washing machine. And now let's head back in. So from your kitchen space and your dining area, what you'll notice also is this whole unit is called the long house because the lot is built going in deep. So the nice thing about that is whatever noise that you may hear from the front of the house is almost non-existent as you move further in. And here's one of the coolest design ideas that they made, having a hidden door here leading to the powder room and even the storage area here underneath the stairs. I'd also like to point out the really cool wallpaper. And here you have the storage area. So really maximizing every space in the property. And going up here, let's now take a look at the second level. Welcome to the second floor, where you have 2 bedrooms. You can maximize the first room by having it set up as a living area, such as it's shown here. You can see that you even have windows for both doors, giving you a more open feel coming up the stairs. One of the things that I really noticed about this property is the color temperature of the lighting. It's not harsh, it's very subtle, and it's very elegant. It almost feels like you're in a hotel. In addition, they also maximize the layout by having a sliding door over here. There's nothing in particular out here, but it creates ventilation from the 3rd floor and the ground floor, and this is also where you can have the air conditioning units. So let me just close that off. And going around here, you see that this is excellent as a movie room, an entertainment room, or even a home office space. And if you want to maximize it as a bedroom, you already have your own bathroom here. What's really noteworthy about the bathrooms is that the fixtures have a nice black matte finish, and you even have these LED lights around the bathroom mirror, which is a really nice touch. And from here, let's take a look at the next bedroom. And now let's take a look at the second bedroom, which can be considered your master bedroom. So the bedroom is spacious enough so that you can have a living room set on this side and make this a nice lounging space for yourself. You can have a sofa here, and on the other side, we currently have some shelves, but you can also maximize this by having a study table area on this side if you'd like, and make this a home office setup. And from here, you see that you can easily fit a large bed and have your television set on this side. And it also comes with a balcony space. This is a nice space just to increase the ventilation for the whole living area. You can keep this open or even just close off the screen, as you see here. So that creates ventilation without letting in any mosquitoes or insects. Let's go. And coming in here, you can really see, because of the layout of the property, how the sound from the street progressively becomes lesser as you move further in. And here you have the walk-in closet space and the bath area. So once again, you have the black matte finishes. And there's significant space here for storing your clothes. And now let's head on up towards the 3rd level, where you have 2 more bedrooms. I'd like to point out that the interior designer really maximized the space. You even have these really nice paintings coming into your master bedroom. So that's a great idea. Upon entering the 3rd level, you have a nice place where you can showcase art through this wall right beside the 3rd room. So heading into this room, the first thing you'll notice is it has these floor-to-ceiling sliding windows once again, just like the previous room in the 2nd level. And what's nicer is this gives you a lot of natural light already, because there's already light filtering in from the top of the house. And you see that they even maximize this by having 2 small beds which is perfect if you have two small children in your family. On an added note, having these plants over here is a really nice touch to give you a pop of greenery here in the third level. And on this other side, you have your own bathroom. And I'd like to point out that they even already have built-in exhaust since there's no window in this bathroom. So those are small instances wherein the developer really thought about the experience of those who are going to buy this house. From the third room, you even have a second powder room here which you can use for guests. And on this side, here's an additional really unique feature is it's a room which you can use as a small storage area, even a wine storage place, or you can even maximize this as a workstation. So you can just imagine having your whole work desk set up over here. This is a really private and quiet area that's perfect for home teleconference meetings. And here we have the fourth bedroom. This is one of our favorite design ideas for this unit. You have a long work desk area here and even additional storage here on top and display areas. Excellent for family pictures, and you can just imagine having your computer on this side and then a printer, and then having this as an area where you and your spouse or the kids can stay and work here. And this has a very similar setup as the master bedroom downstairs. And you can even make this your master bedroom because their size is almost identical as the one in the second level. But the nice thing here is it has a slightly different layout because the door of the bathroom is on this side. So you have a nice corner area here where you can have a couch. It's a really nice and cozy spot in the house. And you have space once again for a large bed and your widescreen TV on this side. And once you open this up, you have another balcony space. In terms of accessibility, this whole area is very near Makati already and the Boni area and the Ortigas Business District. So this is perfect for anyone who wants great mobility and accessibility for their home, but they also want a lot of privacy as well. And here we have the bathroom area. So here's an idea for the built-in cabinetry, and you have the bathroom area. So you also have these well-built sliding enclosures for all the bathrooms, and on the other side you once again have the LED light around the mirror. So I just like to note that the light isn't very harsh and it's quite flattering. And from here, I'd also like to point out here's another great interior design idea. You have this wallpaper which actually makes the whole area feel more open. For the showcased model unit, it has 3 to 4 bedrooms, as one bedroom has been converted into a living space, 4 bathrooms, a 2 vehicle carport, a powder room, 2 balconies, a walk-in closet, and a service area. For its key features, it already has split-type aircon units, multi-point heaters, overhead water storage, CCTV, a doorbell, built-in cooktop and oven, and a range hood, and it already has smoke and heat detectors. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also follow us and message us on Instagram and Facebook. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family. Here's one more look at this sophisticated brand new townhome development for sale in Mandaluyong City.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.